Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually gonna bring you guys along. I'm thrift shopping with my husband. He's actually trying to get his stuff together. It's like 9:15. We're actually gonna stop to Home Goods to look for some furniture, and then we are going to go to a couple thrift stores, maybe like one or two. It's kind of late now, so we're getting a late start on everything, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to take you guys along the way. I'm not really thrifting for much. Okay, so we are at our first thrift store, and this one is actually in Fort Mill, South Carolina. So we are about to go in here. We're getting our mask up, Marcus. Of course, we had to stop to Sonic for him to get something. Okay, but yeah, so here we go. So I didn't end up buying anything from this thrift store. It was a really good thrift store, but I guess I wasn't like in the mood to thrift. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my Gucci bag that I've been wanting forever. My husband did purchase this for my anniversary gift, and I just want to know, if y'all ever see me in any type of designer, just know that my husband got it for me, because you know sis is not even about that life. But I've been wanting this purse forever, and so I finally got it. I don't really like big purses, so this was actually perfect for me. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I do rate this a 8, only because the chain around the crossbody is really heavy. But other than that, I really love this bag, and I'm definitely going to wear it everywhere. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this model house that is selling their furniture, and I'm actually in a bidding war with someone. Check this out. Okay, so these are the pictures that I actually really want. Let me see. These pictures, look at me. Look at that, y'all. I'm outbid. This joker went up $70 for these two pictures. I was bidding with him. Look, now it's 90. Nah, I can't. They are huge, but I want them so bad. But it's not gonna work. So they have like appliances. Well, no, those are not appliances. Well, kind of like jars. They have bar stool. They have a table. They have a couch. Like everything pretty much in this house, they're actually selling. Oh, that's nice. They have a tree, end tables, pictures. These are really nice. And then they actually tape on, like, I think it's like 18% of what they're selling the item for. So you gotta be mindful of that when you're bidding too. And
what do you think about the auction?
It's a great way to find buys from the comfort of your home. You can bid on things for $1.
but you could get caught up easily.
Well,
But I think the pros come in at the end. But what if this is actually the bidding company that's actually making it higher than what it really is?
There's somebody looking at you in this window right now. So you want 70? I got 75.
Dude, they outbidding me. I'm so mad. All right, so I wanted to show y'all. Get into the sushi roll really quick here. This has got to be the best sushi roll that I've ever tasted in my whole entire life. I'm at lunch right now, and let me tell you what's on this roll. So it is deep fried, so it comes warm, and it's white fish, spicy crab meat, salmon, mangoes, and cream cheese. Y'all, this is so just look at it. My gosh, this is some goodness that's about to go into my mouth. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the progression on the actual bidding. So I'm currently outbid by so much money. I don't even want to even talk about it, but I'm gonna show you. So here is what I bid. I placed a bid on, it is a TV stand, because we need a TV stand. So this bid right here for this TV stand. But I do want to say, if you are like shopping for like new furniture, I would definitely suggest any model homes that you see. If anyone sells model homes, they do biddings. I'll leave the actual link that we actually follow and a couple more, just so you know, this is like a easy way for you to like furnish all of your house. Half of this furniture, they haven't been used, so this is just to show people how, you know, the living space looks. And this is pretty much new furniture, so that's definitely a way that you can furnish your house at a lower price, because everyone knows if you're buying a house, furniture is super expensive. And so if you're like me, you want to be, but like, you don't even have to be buying a house, you could just be moving into an apartment. Anything that needs furniture and you're not trying to break the bank with furniture, this is a great way to do it. So I guess this bidding, I won't be able to like win anything, because these prices is crazy and I know my limits. So maybe next time. Let me get to work. Here, going out on a scary ride today. I'm taking you guys along the way. I know I've been missing in action again, but yeah, your girl be taking breaks. But I jumped up here really quick because we are actually about to go car shopping. Y'all, this is gonna be our first car that we buy together. We've been together for 7 years. Half of those years we've drove one car just because I am a frugal type person, and why break something while it's working? But we actually need another car, and so we decided to just go ahead and search for a new car until the one that we have now is over. So I've had my car for almost 10 years. If you ever own a Toyota Camry, yo, get into it. That has been the best. Even when we take it to like shops, they cannot like believe like it's in such great condition. Like, listen, the car has been to all 50 states. We moved from Charlotte to Texas to Seattle, and then we moved again. So the car has over like 200 something hundred miles on it. So yeah, I know it is time for a new car, but I'm super nervous because my husband loves luxurious cars. Like, he owned a Mercedes, a BMW. Like, I'm not ready. First of all, I'm not ready for a car payment. I've never had a car payment. All of my life, I've never had a car payment. And so this is why I'm like stressing out, because this whole car experience, buying a car, is so new to me. And you know, my husband is like a negotiator, but when it comes to cars, all his negotiation goes out of the window because he's just so into the car. So y'all, I'm gonna take y'all along, and I need for y'all to pray for me, because this is giving me anxiety and I just want to drive a nice car. Like, I can continue to drive my Toyota Camry, but my husband says we need a new car, so new car it is. We'll see. Okay, so this was the first car, well, SUV that we test drove, the Audi Q5. I wasn't a big fan. I did love the color, but the technology, Yeah, it was a no for me from the get-go, but I wanted to test drive it just to get a feel of how, I may like it or anything like that. But nope, this wasn't the car, so no.
Stay towards the right. All right. Hit it.
Hit the gas, dude. Woo! We got some horses.
So this is a 252 horsepower vehicle. All right. And we're putting power to all four wheels.
This is a. Woo!